Hey, it's Leah, and today I'm going to talk about MOF. Have you heard of it? What is MOF, Leah? It's Ministry of Freedom. You're not part of it? Oh my goodness. You need to learn about Ministry of Freedom and what all is involved. Here I wanted to show you right here is my Facebook page. My name is Leah Fike. I'm an entrepreneur, online junkie, and love traveling. So if you need to find me, right here will be my information. Message me on Facebook and I'll see you inside. All right, I'm going to jump over to Ministry of Freedom and show you what the MOF is all about. Let's get started. All right, we're going to jump into Ministry of Freedom. I absolutely love this and I want to be able to share with you. So if you want to be online or be an affiliate marketer or learn how to do launch jacking, let's get started. All right, I wanted to be able to take you into the back office of Ministry of Freedom, which we call MOF. This is an amazing way that you can learn about launch jacking, how to do YouTube pages, learn from so many top leaders and tons of coaches. So this is what it would look like, and when you come into the Ministry of Freedom page, you'll see this dashboard. And in the dashboard, it'll bring you right into that. It'll bring you into the Facebook page. This is absolutely amazing. There's so much training that you possibly could never run out of training. I try to keep up and there's just so much. So I want to be able to show you how much information is in here, and not just the main website, it's also in this Facebook group. Everybody is super supportive. We watch everyone who is working the program and learn from everybody. So I'm going to go ahead and take my face off and let's go ahead and check this out. All right, right here in the Ministry of Freedom, you'll be able to see everything that you need to see in a Facebook group. There is a ton of mindset. Mindset is so important, especially when you want a high ticket opportunity and you want it to work. So ton of information on just mindset. I do apologize if my screen is a little slow here. We have tons of information, probably 3 to 4 times a week, just on different things. So if you're wanting to learn about YouTube channel, AdWords accounts, how does it work? What is it going to cost? What does it take to do that? What am I going to use? We have tons of members that come in daily, just constantly joining this. And this is teaching you how to do launch jacking. So there is a ton of programs or creators that need people to promote their items or show how things work. And here we can learn even from others that are doing launch jacking at what they're doing and how it's working for them. So we get to learn a ton of information in here. I wanted to go ahead and show you some of the people that have received different payouts just from practicing what is inside of the web page. Now, this is a program that is built and part of Jono Armstrong. So Jono brought up this Ministry of Freedom. I will definitely have the link down below to show you his 2-hour webinar. You will learn so much information just from the 2 hours that you won't want to leave. And what's super exciting is that he works here with his wife, 𝗬𝗬𝗃, and they're here to support everyone in the group. So I was looking for more things that I wanted to show you in the group, and here they just walk you along step by step to show you how to get approved for products, all the little things that might get you stuck and can't move forward. They're definitely here to assist you with that. One thing with Jono, he has been through everything and he knows the tips and tricks to help you. And one of the biggest things they have is a rotator. So he gives away sales that you can be part of this rotator and receive the sales that Jono is offering. He's really giving a lot to help out this community. There is always Q&A at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. He does have multiple of these and they are recorded. So like I said, there is so much training, so much to learn, and you almost have to take a little bite at a time because there is so much. So it's teaching you how to be organized, how to apply for products, how to put those into a sequence, have them ready for the deadlines, have them ready for the rotator. So there is a ton of information. So I'm going to jump into the back office of the MOF website, the Ministry of Freedom website, and just kind of show you how that is. When you do become a member, all of this information is in here also, and it is almost overwhelming, but there is so much support and it allows you to understand this type of community that you can do online. All right, let's jump over to the website. Let's see what that looks like. All right, so we're now back over to Ministry of Freedom, the website, and this just has weeks and weeks of information that is absolutely amazing. So there is a live Q&A webinar schedule. So once you click on that, you'll get all the schedules that are in there, and some of those go over to that Facebook group. Then you can come to the course introduction. This is going to give you such an easy breakdown that it shows you everything. There's always these little courses that walk you through and how items work. You can click on them individually and go to them and get them started. But
Hey, what's going on?
it allows you to see Jono give you quick updates, give you more information about products. It allows you to understand launch jacking. So the course is very structured and it has tons of information in here. So here you can come into week 1. He does want you to be into the mindset. You know, you do have to really organize yourself, and he walks you through that mindset and ideas and being able to do this, because we always seem to take a moment to say, I can't do this. This is too much. But this allows you to work for yourself. This allows you to have money in your sleep, and it allows you to learn so many skill sets that allow you to move forward even if you aren't doing launch jacking. He teaches you so many other things in this program. Right here, let's see, this is the mindset. Here is the course. I think we'd already looked at that one. Then we'll come down to the organic module, walking you through how to use organic traffic, how the orientation will work on that. And then it comes down to tools and applications, launch jacking, advanced launch jacking. I do not know why I cannot say that. Soft launching, email marketing, product launching, paid traffic, and video ads. So no matter if you're in an MLM or an affiliate marketing or wanting to do your own product, you need to have the mindset of doing this type of tools, mindset, and how it's going to work. So this allows you to understand the calendar, how you're going to fill your calendar, how it's going to work, how these products are going to pay you throughout time, over and over and over. So I really enjoy everything about this. I constantly have to go back, and they're all recorded, so it definitely allows you to go back, restart them, and decide, what do I need to learn? So here will be like even the tools and applications. So he'll start an introduction, tell you what this is all about, what type of computer, webcam, microphone, talk about OBS Studio. I've been wanting to learn that forever. I felt like I did learn it and then I walked away from it. So this gives you a time to click on it, walk through it, practice, and try it over and over. How to set up your YouTube account, your Warrior Plus, your JVZoo affiliate link process. So he gives you tips and tricks on how to get approved, your ClickBank, Commission Gorilla, your autoresponder and how to use that. Make sure that you're always filling your pipeline. So making sure that the email addresses are coming in so that you'll be able to sell or offer more things through your email marketing. Then you have Facebook and Skype, you have 𝗵𝘁𝗍, you have your Google Calendar, domain hosting, and done for you websites. This is just one small section, and there is so much information just right inside, and as soon as you click on it, it allows you to continue and get started. So it's giving you tips and tricks. You do not have to take everything he says, but he also is a 7-figure income earner and does this weekly. So if you're looking for an opportunity to learn more about the Ministry of Freedom, go ahead and click on the link down below. Make sure that you subscribe and click on the bell. I will be doing more videos just like this, and I know you'll want to see more. I appreciate your time. Wish you a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.